You don't need expensive products for glowing, fair skin. This DIY whitening cream will change your skin in just days. Rice flour as a natural exfoliate, control oils, brightens, help even out skin tone and reduce dullness and dark spots. 2 tablespoons. Rich in vitamin C, it helps to lighten the dark spot and hyperpigmentation as a natural, gently astringent, helping to tighten pores. Lemon juice, 1 teaspoon, help keep skin soft and stay hydrated and lock in moisture. And improve overall texture and retain moisture. Glycerin oil, 1 teaspoon. Dito sa ating mga pinagsama-sama, napakaganda panatilihing moisture, tumutulong sa pagka-oily ng balat at stay hydrated ang ating kutis. Nagbibigay exfoliating, brightening, napakaganda nito para sa balat natin. Dahil kahit ako mismo hindi nawawala ng ganitong mask at routine ko na rin kadalasan ginagamit. Maganda ang benefits ng glycerin na minimaintain nito ang hydrating ng balat, preventing na rin to sa balat natin at becoming too dry.
Mabilis na nagpapaputi para sa balat sa 7 araw na paggamit. Binabalik nito sa hydrate, moisture, at napakaganda ng effect lalo na magbigay brightening. Dahan-dahan lamang natin itong ibabad o i-apply sa ating balat. 10 to 15 minutes. Hayaan lamang ito. Kahit 1 beses, 2 beses sa 1 linggo, pwede natin itong ulitin. Natural ang bigay na puti at pantay na kulay.
Thanks for watching, guys!